Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a Chrome OS Flex. So, before doing anything, make sure that you backed up all your data from a flash drive and from your hard drive. Also, you will want to look at the official supported list of devices. Of course, you can run it on an unsupported device, but make sure that it runs if you want, but if you want do an experiment, you can also try installing it on a unsupported device, but make sure to have always another backup installation of Windows, Linux, or I don't know, anything. Bootable flash drive, like to reinstall your operating system to Chrome OS Flex. So I want to warn you that Chrome OS Flex is not the regular Chrome OS with Android apps. It's only the only Chrome. That's all that you have, and you will need to use web apps do to do something. And also, it will format your flash drive now in this tutorial, and when you install Chrome OS Flex, it also formats your hard drive. There is no option to customize the installation like in Linux. So if you don't want to override your Windows install, you will need to install Linux or I don't know, any other operating system. So let's begin our journey to create a Chrome OS recovery tool, well, reinstallation USB. So you will need Chrome. I don't know, I'm sure that if you can't use any other browser, I possibly there is like an extension to simulate like other browsers extensions, but if you want to really do it, you will need Chrome, and of course you can't install other browsers on Chrome OS. So I mean, yeah, so let's go to more tools and extensions. We'll go here, web store, and then we search for Chrome recovery for the Chrome OS recovery tool. Okay, Chromebook recovery tool. Okay, so add the extension. Okay, now we open the extension and then click get started. So we want Chrome OS. Select a model from list. Manufacturer Google Chrome OS Flex. Chrome OS Flex. Next. Or USB drive and continue. Create now. So while it's creating, I want to warn you that not every laptop or PC is compatible. Not in every laptop or PC there will be sound, Wi-Fi, or even like image. Some people it didn't even boot. So make sure to back up all your data, and make sure to have a Windows 10 installation USB. I already showed it on my channel how to do that, or at least a USB with Linux. I don't know, anything that you could use if something goes wrong. So it will take a lot of time, so you can like go to do some home like things or I don't know, homework. Okay, so now on user account control window prompted, it isn't shown in the recording, so you click yes because it needs administrator like permissions to format your flash drive. Yeah, so and now you just wait until it. Okay, so after a long time it finished and now you can install Chrome OS. Thank you for watching, see you next time.